So we are sending via this DMX controller with the first channel the data for the red color of this LED over here. The second channel is controlling the green color, and the third channel is controlling the blue color. So from the controller, we send the data via DMX cable to the IS3710, which is a DMX receiver chip. You can get the data via I2C. So the Raspberry Pi is reading the DMX data via I2C using Python. And then with Python on the same script, we are sending the data of the first three channels over PWM to this LED over here. But you can actually use this DMX data to do whatever you need in your own application in Python. So, and when you unplug the cable, the chip detects that there is no longer DMX data, and yeah, the DMX data activity pin goes too low.